Alright, so today we're going to look at this Sandisk Image Pro, or ImageMate Pro multi-card reader and writer. Like I said, it's by Sandisk. If we look over here, you have support for SD, micro SD, and compact flash with a USB 3.0 type B connector, I believe. Alright, and super fast cards not included. System requirements are Windows 8 and later, Mac OS 10.5 plus, so I can't read, and a USB 3.0 port required for high-speed transfer, therefore is backwards compatible with USB 2.0. Let's get right into the box. Okay. So yeah, like I said, that's a maybe be able to get the focus. There. Now you can see the micro USB B port. Alright. And then just a regular USB A port on the other side. Alright. Now to look at the actual device. Take off this plastic. Alright, so there it is. It says, I guess turn it the right way, Sandisk. Alright. And then on the back is that USB B 3.0. And on the front you have your compact flash, you have your SD, and you have your micro SD. Now the reason I bought this reader is because not only does it support the high-speed SD, it also supports the high-speed micro USB. And I don't know about compact flash because I don't really use it, but I'm guessing it's just as fast. And that was a look at the Sandisk ImageMate Pro multi-card reader writer.